What up, underdogs out there? How y'all doing today? Look, listen, today I have something very special for you. Also, stay tuned, all right? So let me ask y'all a question. Are you ready to turn your wildest dreams into achievable goals? Are you? Are you really? So what are you willing to do? I know one thing you should do to achieve that. And we're going to talk about it today. So today, we're going to dive right into the secret sauce of success. Now, I don't even know. You might know. Who knows? And I'm going to help you out. I'm going to help you reach your goals. That's right. I said it. Today's secret is about setting realistic goals that will skyrocket your athletic career. So, let's get into it. Let's go. So, what's up, everyone? It's Coach Q for Full Court Dreams Underdogs. Today, again, we're talking about something absolutely critical for every young athlete or anybody out there, and that's setting realistic goals. And trust me, this is the game changer you need to stay motivated and on track. So, grab yourself a pen and let's get to work. Now, we're going to start off figuring out why this goal is important. Why is setting goals? Picture this. You're driving, you're on a road trip, whatever. I'm a road trip, so you know. You're going to Kentucky for a run for the road. You've never been there before. What you think you need? I'm going to give you a second to think about that. 1, you need a GPS. You need something to help you out to get to Kentucky. You've never been there. You've never been to run for the Roses. This is your first time going. Right? So, in order for you to get there, you need a roadmap. You need a GPS. You can't. So, just imagine you're riding to Kentucky for run for the Roses. Sorry. And with no map, no GPS, you're just running and you get lost. Sounds fun? It might be. But you might miss a game or two because you ain't had nothing to guide you. So now you're late or you didn't find it at all. What you think would have helped you get there faster, quicker, and on GPS. So, it's not fun getting lost. And not having goals can get you lost. Not having them, you will actually get nowhere. So, we're going to use goals as your roadmap. Goals are your roadmap to keep you focused and to give you clear path to success. Like if you would have had a map or GPS in Kentucky, would have been a clear path and a clear road to get there. So, without them, you're just wandering around, hoping to stumble on greatness. We can't do that. We shouldn't be just wandering around and hoping and praying that greatness is going to fall in our lap. So what we're going to do, we can't leave that to chance. We cannot leave our athletic careers to chance, folks. Come on, guys. We can't. So what we need to do is we need to set some goals. And the goals we need to set, there are two different kinds. We have short-term goals and we have long-term goals. Think about your short-term goals as your daily dream. And then think about your long-term goals as winning the championship. Short-term goals could be improving your free throw percentage, nailing that crossover. Long-term goals is more like making varsity, getting that college scholarship, or going pro. Both are essential, and they work together like peanut butter and jelly. But in order for us to reach those goals, you got to create a roadmap to achieve those goals. Now, what do that look? What do that look? So now that we know what goals are, short term and long term, how do we make them happen? Here's a step-by-step game plan that will help you do that. Also, I got a surprise for you. I'm gonna be the good guy. I'm gonna be that coach that you need, right? And I'm gonna give you a lot of help. I have a PDF in the description already outlined for you to help you step by step to achieve your goal. So make sure you go into the descriptions and get that PDF. And I might have something else for you, but you're gonna have to wait till the next video to get that. That's gonna help you even more with setting your goals. Talk about that later. We're gonna get into the step-by-step plan right now. So listen up and stay with me. Right? And if you like this video so far, please subscribe, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. First things first, your goals gotta be specific. Don't just say, I wanna get better. Say something like, I wanna improve my shooting accuracy by 10% in the next 3 months. Make it measurable. Use number, dates, and stats. Anything you can track. Right? Anything you can track. Plus, be realistic. Look. I am all for you being the next Michael Jordan, or the next LeBron, or the next Caitlin Clark, or the next Angel Reese. I'm for all that. But let's be fair. If I'm 4'11" and I want to dunk, it's going to take me a little bit more time. So be realistic about your goal and know where you are right now. If I'm 4'11", I know I probably got a couple of more years before I'm going to start dunking the basket. Again, let's keep it within reach. Right? Time. Set deadline. Set a deadline. It's like having a game day. It's like having game day, right? Setting goals and setting deadlines for those goals keep you on your toes. Ooh, and right, that okay. All right, go ahead, Coach Q. Here's another one. How would you stay motivated? Because setting goals is the easy part. Right? Setting goals is the easy part. So you have to stay motivated. That's the real challenge of setting goals. Setting goals is easy. Staying motivated about those goals and completing those goals, that's the real challenge, people. That is the real challenge. So, keep track of your progress. Use a journal, an app, a giant whiteboard in your bedroom, in your room, somewhere posted up in your room. Whatever works for you. Celebrate the small wins along the way. Celebrate them. Celebrate your progress. Celebrate it. Remember, progress is progress no matter how big, no matter how small. Progress is progress, people. Put one foot in front of the other. That's progress. If you hit a setback, so what? Everybody hit a setback. Don't sweat it. Every great athlete had their share of losses. You had your share of losses. So what did you do? What can you do to bounce back? Everybody had losses, but it's all about how you bounce back. Got that, underdog? All right, since we got that, right? It's time to put this into action. Remember that I gave you something to help you put this into action. I gave you something to help you put this into action. So use that and remember your goals are your stepping stones to greatness. You can post that up somewhere in your room. Oh, that's wonderful. Your goals are your stepping stones to greatness. Put that somewhere up in your room on a whiteboard. Keep them realistic. Stay motivated and track your progress. You got this, guys. You got it. Now, this is what I need you to do. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button down below, subscribe, and drop your goals in the comments below. Let's help each other. Let's build a community of goal setters and goal getters. Come on, guys. We got this. We can do this. All right? I'll catch you next time with more tips to keep you at the top of your game. And remember, you're going to check out my next video that I'm going to do. That's going to help you further achieve your goals. You know who I am? It's your boy, Coach Q. And I'm out.